Okay, this is the right thigh. This is the abdomen up here, and so you've got a bump right here, right?
Yep.
And we're pretty sure you have a lipoma because this has not drained. There doesn't appear to be a punctum. What we're not exactly sure of is the size because it's kind of flat a little bit right there.
Yeah.
Gonna be Jean, you see that? Okay, so we are going to paint you with a little betadine. So you had a big event recently. Do you want to tell us that?
I had a baby.
You had what?
Yep.
Okay, boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
A little bit, a few days later, you could have had a turkey baby, right?
I know it.
You know I'm a turkey baby.
Are you really?
Uh-huh,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Okay, so Gumby Jean's gonna spray a little cold spray, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna numb this up. You're gonna feel, yeah, you got my finger. You're gonna feel a little sting, okay? Are you ready?
Yep.
Stick, sting, and a burn. Here we go. Stick, sting, and a burn. And a little bit more. Did it hurt much?
No.
Compared to childbirth,
Not
this
at
is
all.
nothing, right?
Yeah, oh my gosh.
All right, a little more in there. And there. So this is not something that has a sac in it. So some people are like, well, didn't get the sac, doc. Well, there is no sac on these, right? I'm just gonna come from a different direction right there. Okay. Looked like we had some nice luncheon there, Gubby Jean. Did you see that?
I did not.
Looked good. Okay. Let me give that back. And we're gonna go just a little bit deeper with this one. And this one you might feel a little bit more, okay? So we're using 1% lidocaine with epinephrine, right?
Yes.
A little bit there, a little deeper there. And then one more right there. Can you see okay on the camera?
Yes.
Okay, that should be very good. Okay. I think we're ready to proceed. I can get some 4x4s and some instruments. Yeah, do keep your hands up there, thank you. Unless you want help. If you want to hold things, we can
Not really.
work out a special feet arrangement or something. Possibly. All right. Good. Jiggy. I just keep thinking of the song, you know.
Yes.
So we're using a 15 blade here, making a little incision. Okay, set that aside. Thank you, ma'am. Did you feel that? She didn't feel that. Can you believe it?
It's crazy.
Thank God.
Using the hemostats, we're just going to widen this a little bit. Feeling that? Good. So I'm seeing our little. It's a lot like giving birth if you think about it. You know, you can almost say, "Oh, I'm seeing the baby's head now." It's just the tip of the lipoma right there. See that? All right. Now this one we will snip just a little bit. It's not a very solid one. It's kind of soft. So, what do you think, Jiggy Jr.? You
I
like
hope
that?
it's coming. Looks like it.
Yeah.
Look at it go.
It actually may be two small lipomas. It's kind of what when I was feeling on it earlier, when I was palpating it.
Yeah.
It felt like there might be like a mama and a daughter. Surprisingly,
Weird coincidence.
surprisingly enough, it
Mom and
really,
a baby?
yeah, a mom and a baby lipoma. It really did. There it is. Now I'm gonna get tough with it. We've had enough playing around here. It's time for you to come out. It doesn't want to come in one nice piece like I want it to. Sometimes
There we go.
There.
Ooh.
Whoa,
Mama,
that's big.
that's a big one.
You know, and to continue on with the birthing, it looks like a placenta a little bit, doesn't
Kind of
it?
crazy.
It does. Can you see it?
Ooh.
It's coming out of my leg.
There's no reason you can't look. I mean, not like it's a secret.
That was a nice size one.
It is.
Look at Mom.
It was
There's gold
hidden.
mine in there.
It was hidden really well.
I really just didn't want it to get bigger.
Of course not, yeah, because they do. They get larger.
Ew.
Jiggly.
Jiggy is Jiggy.
So just you can see, it's just a little fatty.
Little.
I'm gonna hand that away to you. And I think we're ready
Oh,
to.
wow,
Let's
so
do a little
squishy.
flush, and then we'll stitch that. Actually, if I could have those hemostats back, please, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sometimes there can be another little piece in there, so I want to make sure I don't see. So we will put a few stitches in, and we'll be done. You got a little flush. A little flush will be nice. A little bubbly there. Make sure no debris remains. And to continue with the birth analogy, a little bubbly like a champagne toast, right? Wow, we really went all out with the birth thing, didn't we?
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that,
Right.
but I like it.
It works.
That's gonna. That's, I wish we could show baby Jiggy's eyelashes. They are amazing. She has
Thank you.
amazing eyelashes over here.
Oh, thank you.
I was just gonna have to give me lessons on the eyeliner.
Makeup
I
tutorial.
can't draw. I can't use the liquid eyeliner.
That's the only one I use. I use a
It's
pen.
like so perfect.
Thank you. It really, you just have to do it all the time. Like, whenever I first started off, I'll go back and look at pictures and they're terrible.
Practice like everything else. Huh?
Exactly.
Yeah, I just used my pencil today.
I know.
Or I'll get one perfect and then the other one looks crazy.
Right?
That's the problem.
Oh, I have the same problem.
I bet you do.
Okay, good Jean right there.
Like in a weird.
I know, right? Because so you don't hit the camera. Do a nice wound approximation there. I'm even going to clean a little of the betadine off, and Governor Jean will finish this up with a nice dressing for you. We'll see you back in about a week, and we'll take these stitches out. Okay?
Perfect.
You were a great patient. You didn't
I
shriek
tried.
out. You didn't shriek out in pain or anything, not even once.
I've tried many vitamins and this one is the best one yet. I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure, and my nervous system. This is a wonderful product and I'll keep buying it. Thank you, Dr. Gilmore.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Okay, so you've been taking Cocoa Skin.
Been taking Cocoa Skin and Meta 7
Wonderful.
for probably a year and a half now.
Okay.
Love them both. I highly recommend them. My skin is great. I feel moisturized. They're wonderful.
Take your hat off for me.
Oh,
I want everybody to see how pretty your skin is.
my hair's oily.
Oh, your hair is wonderful. So, have you noticed that you've lost some crow's feet or anything like that in particular, or
A little bit,
Little
yeah,
bit?
a little bit.
Okay, all right, because you do look like you're glowing almost. You have a real natural look about you. So, well, wonderful. I'm glad you're liking the Cocoa Skin and the Meta 7.
I take them both. Highly recommend it.
Thanks.
Make sure to check out Cocoa Skin Plus for thicker nails, healthier skin, and better hair. And check out Meta 7 for more energy throughout the day. There are Amazon links in the description below.